Anthony from North Jersey Woodcraft, and I just want to show you a bathroom vanity I made for my home. It is made from poplar, finished with a matte polyacrylic. It has a full extension soft close drawer with a shelf below. Here's the build. So to start off, I'm going to take this 5/4 poplar and break it down into what will eventually be the legs. I break it down to about 2 3/4 inch strips, and then eventually I'll laminate them together to form 4 legs. After getting everything cut to size, I bring them over to the jointer where I flatten down one side before bringing it over to the table saw to get both sides parallel to one another. So here I'm just going to use my Jet 2244 sander, drum sander, and just get all the boards cleaned up and smooth. I'm going to use the Craig ACS on this 3/4 poplar board. This will be the front face and the sides of the vanity. It will also make up the front face of the drawer. Then I will clean it up with the sander. I'm going to take this 5/4 poplar board and rip it down to strips. These strips will then be the stretchers connecting the 2 leg assemblies you see here. They will be pocket holed together using my Craig jig. So I'm going to bring the vanity inside to test fit it and make sure I clear the plumbing. And I'm going to add some extra supports for the drawer that will be pretty large and pretty heavy. I'm also going to test out the soft close drawer slides that I picked up through Amazon. I'll have the link for you. These are full extension undermount drawer slides. After testing out the drawer slides and getting my width, it's time to break down another sheet of plywood, 1/2 inch plywood, to make the drawer box. Since this drawer box will have a cutout for the plumbing, it involves cutting down several smaller pieces to create that U shape around the pipes. I do that using my Craig ACS table to rip all my pieces down. Next thing I'm going to do is use the plunge feature on the Craig track saw to cut out the notch for the plumbing and create a U shape in the bottom of the drawer. I assemble the drawer box with a combination of dado joints that will hold the bottom of the drawer. Then I fasten everything together using staples, 7/8 inch staples. Here I'm going to be using the plunge feature again to cut out the notches for the legs. These pieces here are actually the shelf that's on the bottom of the vanity, and what I'm cutting out are little recesses for the legs to fit into. Here I'm just cleaning up the edges on those notches using my bandsaw. I use a chamfer bit in my router to clean up the edges of all those notches I made on all the shelf boards along with the draw face. After giving everything a chamfered edge, I bring the entire vanity back into the shop to give it a good sanding. After sanding the vanity, I basically just install the hardware and the draw, and I apply 4 coats of a polyacrylic matte finish. And what you're going to see in a second is the final result. So there it is, the finished vanity with 4 coats of matte polyacrylic. The draw pull hardware is threaded pipe painted with a matte black paint. If you have any questions about the build, please leave a comment. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe, and I hope to have more videos like this on the way. I just want to thank you again for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing.